Mike Hughes here. I'm at TrulyWetsuits.com or Truli Wetsuits, and I'm here with Mia. And you want to tell us a little bit about your products here?
Yep. So these are wetsuits for women.
Right.
They're all lined with fleece. So we started with the shorties for warm water, but the women were asking for more coverage. So I'm really excited to announce our new products. So we have the long sleeve shorty. This is the Truly Happy, and we also have the full coverage 5.5 millimeter Truly Full the Beautiful. So here's the fleece lining inside. It's very soft, warm, easy to put on. And the coolest thing about the new products is that we have 21 sizes available for women, so a wetsuit for every body.
Or every year, depending on how your body changes.
Exactly. Either or.
Exactly.
Yeah, so,
cool.
Yeah.
And once again, if they want more information about your products,
just come to booth 1347.
well, not here at DEMA.
Okay, so then come to trulywetsuits.com.
Perfect. For the next 2,000 years, it'll be there.
Perfect.